Hey everyone, welcome to this explainer. Today, we're taking a look at a very specific, totally data-backed wellness protocol to see what really makes it tick. You know, we hear that word detox thrown around constantly in the health space, right? But today, we're stripping away all those marketing buzzwords and just looking at the actual structured data. We're going to examine the Hurom Green Detox Formula. By zooming in on this exact recipe, we're going to see exactly how it interacts with your body. Let's get into it.
But before we break down the formula itself, we've got to ask ourselves a pretty basic question. What actually transforms a simple drink into a functional, physiological cleanse? Because let's be honest, literally anyone can throw a random handful of greens into a glass and call it a detox, right? But a truly effective protocol, that's highly intentional. It requires specific compounds interacting in very specific ways to actually flush your system, replenish those nutrients, and support your cellular function. It's not magic, it's just biology. So our goal today is to figure out exactly how that biology is triggered.
Okay, section 1. Meet the formula. Deconstructing the detox. All right, let's dive into these precise measurements. Because like I said, we aren't just tossing produce in a blender and hoping for the best. We're starting with 1 cup of spinach to build our leafy base. Then we bring in a half a cucumber, 1 whole green apple, the juice of half a lemon, a really specific inclusion of fresh mint leaves, which is great for both aroma and digestion, and finally a half cup of coconut water. It's a highly calibrated list.
Now, the symmetry of this formula is kind of wild when you look at it. Half a cucumber, half a lemon, half a cup of coconut water. This recurring ratio is actually super important because it ensures that no single flavor or nutrient completely overpowers the rest. It perfectly balances out the earthiness of those greens with the bright acidity of the citrus, and of course, that really subtle sweetness from the liquid base. Moving on to section 2, the physiology, why this formula works. So first up, let's look at our base greens, spinach and cucumber. In the context of this formula, these guys aren't just here to make the drink look pretty and green. They are absolutely our foundational hydration heroes. The main job of both the spinach and the cucumber is delivering their exceptionally high water content. But listen, it's not just empty water. This liquid is carrying a massive payload of essential minerals straight to your cells. This 1-2 punch of deep hydration plus minerals delivery is exactly what makes these 2 ingredients so crucial for a physiologic cleanse. They are actively flushing your system while depositing all those vital nutrients. It's a win-win. Next, we drop whole green apples into the mix. Look, anyone who's ever choked down a pure, hardcore green juice knows that, well, palatability can be a real struggle. You want the health benefits, obviously, but you also kind of want it to actually taste good, right? That is exactly where the green apple steps in to be our sweetness factor. But here's the genius part. The green apple gives us that necessary sweet flavor while staying completely low glycemic. Meaning, we get just enough sweetness to make this detox taste delicious, but we totally dodge those massive sugar spikes that usually ruin traditional fruit juices. A giant sugar crash would completely defeat the purpose of a stabilizing detox, wouldn't it? The green apple just perfectly solves that problem. Okay, then we squeeze in half a lemon. And man, this little guy does a ton of heavy lifting. It's so easy to just dismiss lemon juice as a little garnish or a flavor booster, but in this specific formula, it is an absolute functional powerhouse. It's not just adding that bright, zesty flavor, it's delivering a huge hit of antioxidants and even acts as a preventative measure against certain kidney stones. So we're moving way beyond simple nutrition here and stepping right into active bodily defense. Those antioxidants are in there fighting off free radicals, and the specific acidic properties of the lemon juice are literally shown to help prevent the formation of some kidney stones.
So it's actively protecting your internal filtration system while you detox. How cool is that?
Finally, we're rounding out our liquid base with coconut water. Notice how the formula doesn't just say to use regular tap water? There's a very specific, science-backed reason for that. Coconut water is basically nature's ultimate replenisher. It steps in to restore your body's vital electrolytes directly. If you don't know, electrolytes are those crucial minerals your body absolutely needs to just fire on all cylinders, to keep your nervous system communicating and your muscles working optimally. Think about it. When you're cleansing and hydrating, you're flushing a lot of stuff out. The coconut water ensures you're immediately restocking those critical electrical conductors. All right, section 3, the technology edge, maximizing the formula. Because assembling all these awesome ingredients, that's really only half the battle. You could go out and buy the absolute freshest spinach and the most expensive green apples in the world, but if you process them incorrectly, you are just throwing those benefits away. Our source explicitly gives us this insider tip. Maximize nutrient retention by using a Hurom juicer. This is a huge variable. The actual technology you apply to these ingredients fundamentally changes the final product you're drinking. See, your standard, everyday high-speed juicers generate a lot of heat and friction. And that heat can actually destroy the delicate antioxidants in our lemon juice or those essential minerals in our cucumber. But Hurom's slow squeeze technology is this patented extraction method designed with one specific goal in mind: retaining the absolute maximum amount of nutrients from your produce. It actually mimics the gentle, slow motion of hand squeezing, which keeps the cellular structure of our ingredients completely intact. This right here is literally the difference between actually consuming your nutrients and just throwing them away. You want all that hydration, the low glycemic energy, the kidney-protecting antioxidants, and those electrolytes safely captured inside your glass. But standard extraction methods often leave those exact same vital nutrients trapped inside the discarded pulp. The Hurom method just makes sure the math of this detox formula actually adds up inside your body, instead of, in your compost bin.
So the next time you're prepping a wellness drink, you really have to ask yourself, is your current routine actually maximizing your health? Or are you leaving the best parts behind? We've just deconstructed the perfect balance of hydration, low glycemic sweetness, and powerful antioxidants. But the ultimate takeaway here is that the formula is only as good as its execution. Are you actually drinking your nutrients or just throwing them in the pulp collector? It's kind of a provocative thought, but it totally reframes how we should approach our daily nutrition. Anyway, thanks so much for joining me on this explainer. And I really hope this deep dive into the Hurom Green Detox Formula has empowered you to get the absolute most out of your wellness routine.